Look at the first set. So this set is not that difficult, but in order to do it in an exam, you will need to be a little focused and patient. But it's a nice question. Okay. So you have the question given at the top. Instructions थोड़ी सी हैं, and then you are able to look at the question. So the question seem to indicate that maybe you will not be able to complete the set because it says definitely created by Amal, definitely created by Komal, definitely, right? So we're not sure. So there are three reviewers. Let's go through the set. There are three reviewers, A, B, and K. They are tasked with selecting questions from a pool of 13 questions. So I need 13 questions. Questions can be created by external subject matter expert or by one of the three reviewers. तो क्वेश्चन जो क्रिएट हो सकता है इट कैन बी बाय द सब्जेक्ट मैटर एक्सपर्ट और ए और बी और के. ठीक है. Each of the reviewers either approves or disapproves a question that is shown to them. Every reviewer will either approve of the question or disapprove of the question, and their decision will lead to eventual acceptance or rejection of the question in the manner described below. Okay, so I have 13 questions. I have these people who have created the questions and these three people who are approving or disapproving of the question. So for that, now let's move to the next slide. So I have 13 questions. I have the person who is creating the question, the creator. So in this particular row, I will be writing down ki which question has been created by whom. And then below this, I will also write down A, B, and K, whether every single question they approved or disapproved of the question. This is my table. 13 questions, who created the question, and then A, B, and K. Each question, did they approve or disapprove? Now, if a question is created by the SME, it is reviewed first by A and B. A and B देखेंगे. If both of them approve, question is accepted and K will not see it. So first two, if A and B will see it, अगर दोनों ने approve कर दिया, then K need not see it. If both disapprove, then it is rejected and it is not reviewed by K. ठीक है? Which means that in this scenario, two people will be looking at the question. In the case of a subject matter expert, two people will be looking at the question. Either both will approve or both will disapprove. But if one of them approves the question and the other disapproves of it, one approves, the other disapproves, then Komal will see it. And in this scenario, all three people will see it. Then the question is accepted only if she approves of it. So let's understand this. That if one of them approve and the other disapproves, then Komal will see it. So all three people will see it. Now everything depends on Komal. इन दोनों में से एक ने approve किया, एक ने disapprove किया. If Komal approves, accepted. If she disapproves, rejected. ठीक है? Next, the question might be created by one of the reviewers. And अगर एक ने बनाया, it is decided upon by the other two. ठीक है? So if a question is created by A, it is first reviewed by B, meaning the next person. If B approves, it is accepted. Very good. Story is over. Otherwise, it is approved by K. Now understand this. In this case, what will happen is that if B approves, it is accepted, means only one person has seen it. Only one person will have seen it. Otherwise, it is reviewed by K, the third person. Okay? Question is then accepted only if Komal approves of it. So, if B has disapproved, then it will go to K, and it all depends on K. A similar process is followed for questions created by B. B के बाद next person ने पहले देखा K ने, and if K has approved, only one person is required, sufficient. but only by A if Komal has disapproved of it. समझ में आ गया? तो यहाँ पे 1 person might see it or 2 persons might see it. If the question has been created by one of the reviewers, then if the next one has approved, then only 1 person is required. But if the next person has disapproved, then आपको second person का opinion लेना पड़ेगा, second opinion. ठीक है? So now let's get into the question. Question number 1 says that question 2, 6, 9, 11, 12 were rejected. तो यहाँ पे R लिख देते हैं. 2, 6, 9, 11, 12 were rejected and other questions were accepted. तो बाकियों पे A लिख देते हैं. Other questions get an A. ठीक है? Then we'll note down points 2, 3 and 4. A reviewed only 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 10, 11, 13. B reviewed 2, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 12 and 13. K reviewed only 1 to 5, 7, 8, 9, 11 and 12. The dot means the person has reviewed it, but I don't know उसने approve किया कि disapprove किया. So for approve, I will put a tick mark. For disapprove, I will put a cross wherever I am sure, wherever I know it. ठीक है? Let's look at it one question at a time. Look at question number 1. Question number 1, only 1 person has reviewed it. That means उसके पिछले वाले person ने question बनाया होगा. We saw this already. That when there's only 1 person reviewing, पिछले वाले person ने बनाया. So B, question 1, 2, 3, 4 done. So B made the question, it went to K approved, stories over. Because question 1 was accepted. Please check. Question 1 has been accepted. So जो भी सिंगल टिक वाले सारे के सारे हैं वो एक बारी देख लेते हैं. सिंगल टिक वाला you have question 5. Again, B made the question, it went to K approved, so it got accepted. Question 10 also got accepted. तो A से पिछला person, K made the question. It went to A approved, question got accepted. Done. Now let's go to 3 dots wale, because we know 3 dots wala to pakka SME has made it. So question 2, SME made it. Out of A and B, 1 person approved, the other disapproved. Question, now everything depends on K. So you see question number 2 has been rejected. That means K has rejected it. K has rejected it, so I put a cross. Accepted, rejected mane approval, disapproval. K has disapproved, so approval is tick, disapproval is cross. ठीक है? Question 2 has been rejected, as you can see. Question 2 has been rejected. 3 dots थे, SME ने बनाया. Out of the first 2, 1 person approved and then K rejected it. 3 dots वाले पहले कर लेते हैं. So you look at question number 4 now. It's been accepted. So out of A and B, 1 person approved, the other disapproved, but it went to K accepted. K approved, that's why वो accept हो गया. Similarly, question number 8 में same logic से same orientation आ जाएगा. Out of A and B, 1 person and then K has approved of it. Now we'll go one at a time. Question 3 पे आते हैं. Question 3, 2 people have seen it and the question got accepted. So obviously B ने देखा, it went to K disapproved of it, that is why it went to A, and A approved of it because overall question got accepted. Because the question got accepted. And अगर ऐसा एक और orientation है हमारे पास A dot and K dot, उसको पहले देख लेते हैं. Where is it? A dot K dot is in question 11. So question 11 also, oh, okay, let's move to question number 6 now. And then उस पे आते हैं जब भी उसका नंबर आएगा. So question number 6 के अंदर what you have is A and question 6 has been rejected. A and B ने इसको review किया है. Either both of them rejected it, disapproved of it, that's why the paper got rejected, or K made the paper, it went to A disapproved, it went to B disapproved and it got rejected. समझ में आया? There are 2 dots. over here. So it might be the SME and the SME subject matter expert के केस में both of them rejected it, so the paper got rejected. ठीक है. और K made the paper, it went to A rejected, it went to B also rejected, and that is why the question got rejected. That's why the question got rejected. ठीक है. इस टाइप का orientation you have in question number 13 also, so we're going to question 13, but question 13 got accepted. 13 will get accepted अगर तो दोनों के दोनों accept कर देंगे subject matter expert, either if both of them accepted, so the paper got accepted, or K made the paper, it went to A disapproved of it, it went to B approved of it, that's why the paper got accepted. और K, तो एक बात तो पक्की है, B approved of it. समझ में आया? Is this clear? A and B पे डॉट है, the paper got accepted, either दोनों टिक्स थे या फिर A क्रॉस था B टिक था. K made the paper, K made the question, A accepted it, sorry, A rejected it, B accepted it. So in both cases B is accepting it. That is why ये मैंने मार्क कर दिया. Wherever I am leaving the dot, it means it could be tick also, it could be cross also. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन पे आते हैं, क्वेश्चन नंबर 7 पे चलते हैं. सो नाउ सिमिलरली क्वेश्चन नंबर 7, ए मेड द पेपर एंड दिस क्वेश्चन गॉट एक्सेप्टेड. ठीक है. सो ए मेड द क्वेश्चन, इट वेंट टू बी रिजेक्टेड इट, सो इट वेंट टू के accepted it, that's why the question got accepted. Similar orientation is in question number 9, but question 9 it got rejected. So A made the paper, then it went to B rejected, then K also rejected, इसलिए the question got rejected. Done. ठीक है. Now we come to R. Obviously R is obvious. B, the question got, question 11, it got rejected. B made the question. Oh, we're looking at question 12 first. Similar orientation. ये देखो वाई सिमिलर ओरिएंटेशन कैसे है. यहाँ पे आपके पास है डॉट डॉट एंड पेपर गॉट रिजेक्टेड, सो सेम थिंग ओवर हियर, ए क्रॉस क्रॉस, सो आई डोंट नीड टू मेंशन इट अगेन. क्वेश्चन 11 के अंदर बी मेड द पेपर क्वेश्चन, इट वेंट टू के रिजेक्टेड इट, इट वेंट टू ए ऑल्सो रिजेक्टेड इट, एंड दैट इज वाई द क्वेश्चन गॉट रिजेक्टेड. दिस कंप्लीट्स द टेबल. तो इसमें से some questions we can now mark. How many questions were definitely created by A creator में A, 1 2 3. Definitely created by K, not sure, 1. Only one person is definitely by K. Definitely created by the SMEs, 1 2 not sure, 3 not sure, 3 is the right answer. Created वाले questions are done. How many questions were definitely disapproved by B? B के कॉलम में definitely disapproved means हम X's ढूंढ रहे हैं, 1 2 3 4. We get 4 as the right answer for question number 4. Last two questions. The approval ratio of a reviewer is the ratio of the number of questions he or she approved to the number of questions he or she reviewed. Approved upon reviewed. Which option best describes A's approval ratio? A ने कितने questions देखे? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. A has seen 8 questions. How many questions did A approve? 1 2, but all of the dots they could be tick or cross. So minimum 2. Minimum 2. ठीक है. These two, question number 10 and 3. The others could have been tick or cross. So maximum value सारे के सारे tick हो सकते थे. 1, so 4 dots, right? So 4 dots, 4 ticks, and 5 and 6. 2 or 6. 1 by 4 is the minimum value, and 6 by 8 is 3 by 4 is the maximum value. 1 by 4 and 3 by 4 के बीच में that is A part. A part is the right answer. How many questions created by A or B were disapproved by at least one of the other reviewers? Questions created by A और B में एक क्रॉस होना चाहिए. क्वेश्चंस क्रिएटेड बाय ए और बी में एक क्रॉस, ये एक आ गया. क्वेश्चन नंबर 3, 4, 5 नहीं 7 में क्रॉस आ गया, 9 में क्रॉस आ गया, 10 11 में क्रॉस आ गया. 7 9 11 एंड 12 में क्रॉस आ गया. That's 5 questions. The answer is 5, and that is the end of the set. Wonderful. But I would say paper में बनाना with under pressure to take you 15-16 minutes. Carefully, आराम से करते